Hi Sam family, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to click the notification bell and leave a comment. Today I'm showing you guys how to make that beautiful goat with skin fried. Meaning there, I asked for a boyfriend, guys. I don't know what you think, but I asked for a boyfriend. So it is so good. I'm gonna show you guys how the meat look like. Okay? And look at it. It's a good meat. Look at it. Look at that. Try it. Try it and leave a comment. Go try that recipe, guys. And that's breadfruit with plantain for the decoration. And guys, I'm a mother of 3 kids and I trying to drop that video for you guys so late. So don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe.